Some of the core themes of my presence online is vulnerability. I genuinely feel that is how I've cultivated my community, is just to show up as who I am. And I think that's really empowering both ways. Hi everyone, this is Z. These are the 9 things that I packed for my stay with Canopy by Hilton Toronto Yorkville. Come on in. So my name is Zaynab. I am originally from New York, but I'm here in Toronto for the first time with my son and my husband, and we're just so excited to explore this beautiful city. So this property is located between Yorkville and Rosedale. It has a vibrant art scene, yummy food, and tons of shopping. So my first item, if you already know me, you already know what it is, but it is my little hairbrush. This thing has traveled much more than most people I know. I take it everywhere with me. My relationship with my hair, it's like honestly, not just physically an extension of me, but like spiritually. Like I love just this hairstyle and I try my best to maintain it, especially when I'm traveling, hence why I travel with my tiny hairbrush, just so I'm always photo ready. I have a 6-year-old, so it's really nice to have it on hand just to brush his hair and have him looking, good on the go as well. And it's the perfect size for a little kid, which is so cute. So for my next item, I'm gonna take you guys with me to the bathroom. And by the way, the foliage right now is incredible. So my next item is my travel steamer, but Canopy already had one, which I've actually never seen at a hotel before. I wear a lot of dresses and robes, and usually like in the process of packing, they get really wrinkly and I can't do wrinkles. So something that helps them bring them back to life when I hang them in the closet at any hotel, wherever I'm traveling, is super, super important. So for my next item, I'm cheating a little bit because it's a bunch of things, but they are all in this one flat lay makeup bag. I particularly love this bag because I can kind of just see everything that I have and grab things and then easily just close them up, just like that. My relationship with makeup is less is more, and I've come a long, long way if you have followed me for a while, have known me for a while. So if you can even see from here, this is not overly stuffed. I just travel with my essentials and stuff that I use on a daily basis. So for my next item, it is in my skincare bag right here. It is my little rose gold travel mirror, which is super easy, lightweight, and the best part about it is rechargeable. But I don't really need it because I have one built into my bathroom. So now this is gonna go into my purse, so whenever we are outside, I can still have access to a mirror. So for my next item is my jewelry case, and as you can tell, it's not that big. I think jewelry is like an extension of your personality. My mantra, I can't do dainty pieces. I like a good statement piece. I think it really pulls your outfit together. So if you notice, I literally just have like big, chunky items packed in. For example, these you probably have seen if you know me. I've worn these so often and I brought them here with me too. Green is my favorite color, and this is my favorite shade of green. It's like an emerald green and also very familiar all around this property. This is the same soft green velvet that I noticed in the cafe downstairs. And for my next item, I'm gonna take you guys to the living room with me. It is something, if you're a content creator, you probably already know what it is, but it's something that I literally cannot do my job without. And that is my tripod. In many ways, this thing is my best friend. I spend a lot of time with it when I'm traveling. I love that it gives me the independence to shoot my content on my own time, wherever, whenever. This tripod is actually pretty interesting. It's not your average tripod. It does like 100 different things. I haven't really mastered all of it. I'm still at like level number 1, but it's a gadget in its own. Some of the core themes of my presence online is vulnerability, relatability, and I'm not just saying that, I genuinely feel that is how I've cultivated my community, is just to show up as who I am. And through that journey, my community has empowered me to continue coming online just as I am, not to try to be something that I'm not. And I think that's really empowering both ways. We haven't left the property too much yet. We've dined at the restaurant, we've gone to the cafe a couple of times, we've gone to the pool, there's a gym, there's just so many things to do under this roof that it's been so fun. And for my next item, something that is probably the most important is my son's tablet. He's at the pool right now, so it's sitting with me here. So this tablet in particular has this really like, I don't know what proof cover, but it is like, it could probably survive like a 6-story fall. But it's been with us for a while and is a very, very important part of our travels. My favorite thing about traveling with my son is honestly just the experiences that we have together and have them with you as another, like as your friend almost. And it's just a wonderful experience. It's really, really fulfilling. So I love coffee. The first thing I noticed about the cafe is the beautiful sage green paint color. It's so Parisian and it's so beautiful. And that's one of the colors that I would like to paint one of my rooms in my home. Everything is just so elevated. I have a mirrored wall in my own home, and that's so funny because when I went into the lobby, there's a beautiful mirror hallway. I think it's just magical, like seeing your reflection, walking up and down, and just it creates a little ambiance of fun. And for my next item, I'm going to take you guys back to my closet area. It is something that is really essential, especially if you're traveling around fall season, and that is a beautiful coat, especially something that is a really pretty color. It also has a matching scarf, so it's really like an entire chic outfit. I've always heard that Toronto gets really cold, so just in case, I definitely made sure I pack this so I am not only stylish but also warm. So for my 9th and final item is my evening outfit. And for this trip, I brought this beautiful gold and navy colored dress. It is so perfect for the fall time. I love the colors on it. And it is like ruched, very flattering. I'm a maximalist, so anything with like patterns, color, bright things always catch my eye. So I always pack an evening dress because honestly, you just never know where the evening is gonna literally take you. A pair of stilettos and a nice evening dress is something that is packed even before I get my other essentials in. I'm actually gonna be wearing this dress tonight to the restaurant, which is located right here within the hotel. It is a very upscale place, so wearing this nice dress is just really fun and special. There's a beautiful fireplace in the middle of it. There's these big windows that overlook these really busy streets, and the lighting fixtures are just so incredible. And the food is really, really great. We actually dined there last night and I would highly recommend their salmon. And now I'm actually gonna get dressed and I'll see you downstairs at the Dia restaurant in just a little bit. Bye. So this is the final look. Thanks for joining me on my stay at Canopy by Hilton Toronto Yorkville, and I'll see you next time.